Hi, I'm Barb from the Pampered Chef Test Kitchen. Do you ever have a tough time making perfectly thin and consistent slices? You know, even the most skilled chef needs this tool, the simple slicer. It comes with a 3.5-inch food holder that can hold a variety of fruits and vegetables, like onions, tomatoes, apples, and even bell peppers. The holder slides on a track, which gives you complete control and keeps your fingers safely away from the blade. The non-skid feet keep the slicer securely in place. It also includes notches if you want to slice over a bowl. Right now, the simple slicer is in the locked position. The blade is even with the ramp, protecting the blade in storage. It offers 3 settings. The first, paper-thin slices. Second, medium. And the third, the thickest. So let me show you how easy it is to use. I've already sliced a potato in half, creating a flat base. The prongs keep the potato securely in place. Look at these slices. Perfect for homemade potato chips. Okay, let's slice an onion. We're going to do it on the second setting. Look at these slices. Perfect for topping your favorite burger and sandwiches. Okay, let's see what it can do with the zucchini. I'm going to slice it on the third setting. And you want to make sure you slice your zucchini into about 2.5-inch lengths. Look at these. Perfect for vegetable crudité platter or even a stir fry. The simple slicer is dishwasher safe and has a 1-year guarantee. It's a super time saver and a must-have in every kitchen. You're going to love it.